What do you think we should get?
I'd love to get all of the
I
exclusive
know.
ones, but that's a lot of pastries.
It's
I
a
know.
lot of money too.
It's a lot of money
right?
too.
It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and Catherine, and we are here at Caesars Palace, Las Vegas, at Dominique Ansel. It's a brand new gourmet pastry place here at Caesars Palace. It's from the creator of the Cronuts. These are Cronuts. These are croissant donuts. It's like half croissant, half donut. This is the cookbook of Dominique Ansel, the French pastry chef.
Mm-hmm. We have this cookbook.
Yes, we do. So they do have savory items here, like a quiche, a croque monsieur, egg sandwich. They have macarons, all different colors and flavors. And they have some stunning pastries. This is the Evil Eye Eclair, the Fortune Cookie, the Four Leaf Clover.
These are all exclusive to this location.
That's right. These are Las Vegas exclusives. The Ladybug, the Lucky Penny Pig, the Goldfish, and the Feather. They have other things too. They've got cookies made to order. They even have a Queen Amman.
Mm-hmm. A classic. The Queen Amman is signature here, along with the Cronut.
And they've got cold drinks, hot drinks, coffees, lattes. All right, so I think we're going to get maybe 4 of the Vegas exclusives.
Yes.
So that'll give us a good variety to try here. This brand new place at Caesars Las Vegas.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta say, these Cronuts look pretty incredible.
This is what he is known for.
Yes,
That is true.
What made him famous.
Yeah.
His
these
croissants
are the
look pretty stunning.
There's
as
the
well.
Queen Ammans back here.
Oh, you can see the Queen
Yeah.
Ammans back there.
They're like a very rich butter cake.
DKA for
Mhm.
short.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and here's the cookies as well.
They look beautiful.
Yeah, these croissants look incredible.
There are a few items here, 3 things that are made to order. Some mini madeleines, which are piped and served warm, piped fresh and served warm. Some frozen s'mores, so we have a cold dessert, and a chocolate chip cookie shot. That's like imagine like a shot glass made of chocolate chip cookie,
That's
milk
what it
inside.
You said the goldfish, the fortune cookie, the ladybug, and which other one? The clover.
The clover, yes, and 1 cronut, please.
And 1 cronut.
Yeah.
Gotcha. 5738, please.
Thank you. This is the robot that I guess is making our pastries.
It's waving hello.
Oh, it's waving. Hi.
Yeah, it's
It's making one of these shot glass chocolate things, I guess you were talking about. That's not scary. Okay.
so here's a better shot of the
Oh yeah.
these are the Queen Ammans.
Queen Amman.
Mm-hmm. They're beautiful.
Chocolate pan au chocolat is what it says right there.
There's some cannelés in the back.
Yep. Cannelés de Bordeaux.
These-
This stuff looks amazing.
They do. I love almond croissant.
Yeah, the almond croissant.
That's the frangipane
And even the
inside.
regular croissants look incredible.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Yes. Oh, great. Thank you very much. Oh, no, that'd be just fine like that, I
This
think.
fine, just like that. Thank you.
Awesome.
you.
Thank you very much. Wow. Look at this. You want to hold that for us?
Sure.
Maybe we go eat over at the food court.
Yeah.
It's right by the food court
It
and
is.
right next to Gordon Ramsay Pub and Grill right here. All right, we're going to try to find a seat over here at the food court, the Caesars Palace Forum Food Hall.
Maybe back where there's like
Oh, yeah, maybe
vacant
back
seats.
behind the Fara Pizza.
Right.
Now, I will say you want to be warned, fair warning, that this place isn't cheap. These 4 pastries and a cronut cost us $57.
We were out of knives at Dominique Ansel, so got forks and napkins there.
Oh, great.
We just got a knife at Far Pizza.
Oh, perfect. This cronut has a warning on the box. Please eat within 6 to 8 hours of purchase. Well, don't worry, it's only been about 6 to 8 minutes.
Yeah.
All right, you want to open this up and
Yeah.
take a look?
Look at those.
Wow.
Those are beautiful.
All right, these are the Dominique Ansel pastries. These look gorgeous. They're even adhered a little bit to this box. They don't
Right.
slide around.
It is pretty.
That's very clever. All right, how about that cronut?
Let's open this. so much thought going into the packaging. Oh, there it is. The Cronut.
It's a mad scientist hybrid of both a croissant and a donut.
Yes.
It's a Cronut.
It's a Cronut. There you go.
Oh, there's like a
Ooh.
filling inside.
Look at that. The layers are so, it's very layered, it's just very crunchy, very buttery, very rich. Very
Yeah.
rich.
Mm. There is so much going on there.
Mhm.
I think there might even be like a layer of like chocolate or
Yeah,
something
there's
in there.
definitely a layer of chocolate.
It's like I think maybe like a raspberry chocolate maybe.
Yeah.
It's like there's a lot going on, especially all those layers. Let's split one of these open. What should
Alright.
you start with? Maybe this one?
Let's start with the goldfish.
Yeah. Almost looks like an egg inside.
It does almost look like an, oh, it's like, wow. It does almost look like an egg. It's so delicate.
Mango. That is full of mango. Mango and cream. I like that one.
It's just so light and fluffy. Definitely a strong mango flavor.
Yeah.
But I do get some calamansi in there too.
So this one that looks like a watering can, it's called the Ladybug because there is a little ladybug right there on the can. That's pretty cute.
It is very cute.
All right, let's dig into that one.
Okay. I don't think I had anything that tasted quite like that. Ooh,
Is it a raspberry filling again?
definitely fruity. There's just a lot of different flavors going on right now, and textures too. That is really good. Just also very light. Not citrusy like the goldfish though.
I'm gonna try this thing, the strawberry gelée. Yeah, at first it tasted just kind of like a piece of Jell-O, but then it got so intense, like a super intense strawberry flavor. Yeah, there's a lot going on in these pastries.
There's a reason they cost what they do.
That's true. They
That's
do
true.
cost a bit of a premium.
Yes, they do.
All right, how about this fortune cookie?
All right, let's start with the fortune sticking out.
That's right. Lucky me.
Lucky me. Okay, let's see how easily this will cut. Oh, it is a bit more of a shell
Ah,
than the other two. Still very delicate.
and lots of cream inside.
Lots of
all
cream
these.
inside. Of course, you have the bouton underneath, the sablé. Yeah. You definitely need a knife and fork when eating these because you want to make sure you cut it just right so you get a little bit of everything in your first bite. Let's see. Ah, this really falls apart, just so you know. That's a really good flavor. You have the texture, the light, creamy texture of what's inside the fortune cookie. And then you have the cake base underneath. They balance each other out a lot. I'm very honey flavored. I get the honey taste from the cake, very much so. Totally different than the other pastries.
Wow, that jasmine tea flavor is very pronounced. It's kind of shocking.
Yeah,
It's really like a floral tea flavor
right.
in there.
It feels like a tea you would get, a jasmine tea you would get at a Chinese
Yeah, it
restaurant.
feels like I'm drinking a pot of jasmine tea. That one definitely, be prepared for that one. It's not a traditional pastry flavor.
No. And finally, this is the, ooh, cute. This is the Four Leaf Clover.
Yeah, all right, give that a try.
Definite coffee mousse flavor. I feel like I'm having like a latte almost. It's very milky, very creamy.
Coffee mousse. Yeah, it's like drinking a latte. All of these are like, they taste like something else other than just a pastry. I guess that's the magic of Dominique Ansel. So the question now, I think, is which one of these do we like the best
Gotta say, I'm torn between the goldfish, which is the calamansi mango,
Yeah.
and the ladybug with the strawberry filling.
Yeah.
And I really think that something about the ladybug, because there's a cake in it as well, I really like that flavor. It's really good. I really like the ladybug. I'm going to pick the ladybug for my favorite.
I agree. Those are my two favorites as well. I like that strawberry flavor of the ladybug, but this mango calamansi citrusy flavor of this goldfish, I think is the best of all. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think about Dominique Ansel at Caesars Palace, Las Vegas. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat when it's all you can Vegas.